Are you looking for the best tile saw for contractors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tile saw for contractors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Imer Combicut 250V, a professional wet tile saw. Execute the most challenging cuts with this Imer tile saw, which is equipped with a 1.75 HP high-torque motor, a laser guide for high precision, a decent stock blade, and a sturdy stand. 4 things that will simplify all types of tile and marble cutting that you do. But what we love the most about this tile saw is its stand, which is wide and strong enough to help you with most tasks. It can facilitate tiles of up to 28 in size. Even more, if you are going for the plunge cut. Then there is the quality. Since it's made of aircraft-grade aluminum, it's easier to move around. Although, we don't recommend doing that because the most powerful rail tile saws work best and last longer when you have a designated spot for them. This may not be possible all the time, but we still recommend keeping the movements to a minimum. Another reason for that recommendation is the poor water containment, which is messy at best. Getting an additional pump is, therefore, recommended. Another drawback is that tiles can slide on the tray if you don't hold them properly, owing to the lack of rubber discs. Cleaning and maintaining it are easy despite the bulky frame. Just use some WD-40 and you are good to go for the long haul. With a silent motor that starts slow and provides consistently great power to cut through different material, we consider the Imer Combicut 250V model as the best of the best in the market right now. Up next in the 4th place is the Husqvarna TS90 professional tile saw. Thankfully, this Husqvarna tile saw is equally charismatic, with an ergonomic setup and heavy-duty motor. Cut through small and large tiles or go for heavy-duty bricks. And this robust machine will provide you precision-based trims, straight and diagonal cuts, all with minimal water wastage and high power efficiency. This is marketed as a tool for the tile and repair business, mostly because of its high versatility for diagonal cuts, plunge effect, and tough build. It is easy to clean and maintain and allows you with a wide variety of accessory options, such as diamond blades of different types, with a price that is slightly higher than its immediate competitors. Husqvarna has built a tile saw that is great for contractors and DIYers alike. If you believe in the age-old adage that you get what you pay for, don't look further. The 3rd product on our list is the IQTS 244 dry cut tile saw. Professionals who believe in and recommend dry tile sawing can stop their hunt and lock the IQTS 244 as the best dry tile saw. It has everything that you need: OSHA-compliant vacuum for pure dust-free tile sawing, 1.5 HP motor that provides precision and power, sharp blade for the cleanest cut, and easy portability. While some of those are provided by the other brands too, portability and dust-free non-messy tile sawing is something exclusive to IQ Power Tools. It rightly markets its star product as the world's first dry-cut tile saw with integrated dust control, and we approve of it. Its automatic vacuum function captures 99.5% dust, which is very good for a machine with so much output power and a large work area. The 10Q drive blade is enough for most types of materials, including porcelain tiles and marble. And if that is not enough, you can shop around for alternatives and affix the right blade for more versatile cuts. 2nd on our list is the DeWalt D36000S portable wet tile saw for contractors. DeWalt loyalists should go with this D36000S model and forget about all their tile sawing concern. Why, you may ask? Well, in addition to the brand guarantee, you also get a high-speed precision motor, a durable build that will work for years, and a modular tray system that puts all the struggles with water containment out of the window. With this DeWalt wet tile saw, you can focus on getting a clean cut and doing it faster than any other model on this list. 4,200 RPM is no small deal. In our survey, we did find that the lack of a laser guide put off some users. But you don't have to worry because DeWalt makes up for it with its cut line indicator that is as good as a laser beam. Moreover, in any case, a lack of a laser guide is not a deal breaker when you have so much going on at an affordable price. Finally, the top product on our list is the MK Diamond MK370 XP wet cutting tile saw. If the Delta model seemed affordable to you, consider this MK model, which is the most inexpensive tile saw for bathroom contractors. Need to drill large holes in a variety of tiles for a bathroom? Use this tool's handy plunge effect to create holes of various sizes and depths. The 1.25 HP motor does a sweet job for most porcelain tiles and marbles, be it for a bathroom or a kitchen's backsplash. It's also very lightweight, which means that you can carry it around the rooms without having to worry about the water containment or its weight. The complementary 45-degree miter system is a godsend and really makes your job easier if you are a contractor. The best saw for ceramic tiles. MK really puts its everything in this model. Go for it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.